Get into a car with value. 2023 Hyundai Santa Fe. Here's a stylish, family-friendly Hyundai Santa Fe. With bold, modern looks, standard infotainment, and the latest safety features. This spacious, versatile midsize crossover infuses every drive with comfort and confidence. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: 4-cylinder engine, power liftgate, lane keeping assist, backup camera, alarm, Bluetooth connection, electronic stability control, 8-speed AT, rear spoiler, traction control. Get the comfort, features, and style you deserve. This Santa Fe is waiting to take you places. Our team will give you an outstanding test drive experience. Stop in today.